Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a beautiful emotional card to our teacher on the occasion of Teacher's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear Sir or Madam, here you can write Sir or Madam according to the gender of your teacher. Happy Teacher's Day! Your dedication and wisdom have shaped me in remarkable ways. Your lessons extend far beyond textbooks, nurturing my love for learning. Your patience and kindness make every question a welcoming one. Thank you for being my mentor and my inspiration. Thank you for your tireless efforts and the impact you have left on my life. Here's to you, the guiding star in my journey of knowledge. Thank you for everything. Your beloved student, write your name.